Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by connecting the device and confirming the port quickly. Open Device Manager and go straight to ports to see the assigned COM number, for example COM3. Once seen, check Properties and the Driver tab to confirm a driver exists. If not, install the manufacturer driver now. You do this first because a missing or wrong driver is the most common cause, and knowing the COM number lets you avoid guesswork in the next steps. Once done identifying the port, change the COM number if it conflicts with another device. Port settings right arrow advanced right arrow COM port number and pick an unused slot. Next, disable or uninstall duplicate or unused serial devices to prevent reassignments. Make sure you set baud rate and parity to match the peripheral, typically 9,600. 8. No parity. 1 stop bit. Because mismatch settings, you're almost done. Restart the PC so the COM assignment and driver changes persist. After reboot, open a terminal program like poo-tty, select the assigned COM and the configured baud/parity, then test for expected data or a prompt. If you get no response, reinstall the driver, try a different USB port or a different USB to serial adapter to rule out hardware failure. One key tip: if the COM number reverts, disable automatic driver updates or reserve a unique free COM number to prevent reassignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.